Hi guys! Welcome to this new vlog. We are in São Paulo for one day, currently at
Parque Ibirapuera here in the heart of São Paulo. This huge park.
reminds us a bit of Central Park in New York, but has more of a jungle vibe, I'd say, like lots of palm trees and lots of little lakes. Very beautiful.
Yeah.
The park is a mix of green space, culture and city life, making it a perfect spot to escape the chaos of São Paulo. It has lakes, modern architecture and even museums inside. It's also massive. Just look at this map, you could easily spend the whole day here and still not see everything. What makes it even more special is how tropical it feels. The palm trees, the humidity, the dense greenery. It almost feels like you're walking through a jungle in the middle of the city. And then you have the sports scene. People are out here doing everything. There's an open-air gym where locals are lifting weights, tons of people jogging along the paths, and others renting bikes to cruise around. And suddenly, there's something I've never seen before. Coconuts being transported through the park. Only in Brazil.
So after our stroll in the park, we're now gonna go to another area in São Paulo. We're gonna go to Liberdade. And we're about to catch an Uber now.
We jumped into the Uber and headed to Liberdade, São Paulo's famous Japanese district. The ride through the city gave us a glimpse of São Paulo's massive scale, endless skyscrapers, busy streets, and of course, traffic. The streets are lined with red Tory-style arches, the traffic lights have little Japanese-inspired symbols, and every corner is covered in colorful street art. It feels like stepping into a little slice of Japan, but with a unique Brazilian twist. Of course, we had to try some Japanese food while we're there, so we lined up at a popular ramen spot. The place was packed, which is always a good sign, isn't it? When the bowls finally arrived, it was really worth the wait. After eating way too much, we decided to take the metro to Avenida Paulista, which is São Paulo's most iconic street. The metro system here is super efficient and it's a great way to get around the city that has crazy traffic. Arriving at Avenida Paulista felt like stepping into the heart of São Paulo's energy, a perfect place to end our day.